Welcome to Sudsies in our Miami Design District location at 6100 Biscayne Boulevard. I am really so proud to share with our community how important every one of our guests are at Sudsies. We treat your garments like they're our own. We also pride ourselves on being part of this entire community, and we always want to do what's best for the environment. Our safe practices are very important to us. Sudsies is a perchloroethylene free dry cleaners. We pride ourselves on the #1 suggested methods of cleaning by the EPA, which is water. Sudsies, we pride ourselves not only on the quality of our work, but being right for you and our community. So at Sudsies, not only do we promise to take care of you, every one of your garments, but also it's our responsibility to make sure we remain a good quality green dry cleaners. You will love us.